laptop can you buy these days for under $200? Starting at $199, the Lenovo IdeaPad 100s is a lightweight, long-lasting Windows 10 powered laptop with a touch of style, good viewing angles and over 9 hours of battery life. Like other systems in this price range, the 11.6-inch 100s offers very modest performance and cuts some corners when it comes to keyboard and touchpad quality. However, if you're willing to live with a few compromises, you can get a very capable secondary computer or child's laptop for a great price. Designed for a laptop this inexpensive, the Lenovo IdeaPad 100s looks anything but cheap. Available in red, blue, gray, or white, Lenovo's low-cost laptop has a classy matte finish that carries the accent color and persists from the lid to the system's bottom. The rubber feet match the color, but the sides and deck are a subtle black color with a similar matte texture, which did a good job of resisting fingerprints. At 11.5 x 7.95 x 0.69 inches and 2.2 pounds, the Lenovo IdeaPad 100s felt incredibly light and portable, both in my hands and my bag. The Acer Aspire One Cloudbook 11 is nearly the same size, 11.5 x 7.95 x 0.7 inches, but weighs -0.2 pounds more, while the Lenovo 100's Chromebook, the Chrome OS version of this laptop, is slightly larger and heavier, 11.81 x 8.23 x 0.78 inches, 2.52 pounds. The Asus EEBook X205TA, 11.2 x 7.6 x 0.6, 2.16 pounds, is ever so slightly smaller and lighter, however. Storage. While most Windows PCs come with hard drives or SSDs that have hundreds of gigabytes of capacity, ultra-low-cost laptops such as the IdeaPad 100s, HP Stream, and Acer One Cloudbook series typically come with 16, 32 or 64 GB of eMMC storage memory. The IdeaPad 100s comes with 32 GB, 17 GB of that is free, with the rest taken up by Windows 10. You can expand the storage by purchasing an inexpensive microSD card, which gives you another 64 GB for just $20, or you can use some of the 1 TB of cloud storage that comes with the included Office 365 subscription. Display and audio. The 11.6-inch, 1366 x 768 display for the IdeaPad 100s isn't as colorful or sharp as those on expensive laptops, but it provides surprisingly good image quality with wide viewing angles. When I watched a trailer for Star Wars: The Force Awakens, I could easily make out fine details like the beads of sweat on Finn's brow. Most colors, including the red in a First Order flag, seemed mostly accurate, though a bit muted. However, even at a full 90 degrees to the left or right, the colors barely faded. The IdeaPad 100's bottom-facing speakers provided sound that was loud enough to fill a living room but not exactly high fidelity. When I listened to Styx's guitar and drum-heavy Blue Collar Man, the percussion was very tinny, but surprisingly, there was a good separation of sound between the left and right sides. Major Laser's synth-laden lean-on was clearer, but still a bit distorted. Keyboard and touchpad. With only 1.2 mm of vertical travel, 1.5 to 2 mm is typical, and a flimsy base that flexes like a trampoline as you type, the IdeaPad 100's keyboard is a mixed bag. However, the scallop-shaped keys are fairly large, easy to target and have a snappy feel, thanks to a solid 60 grams of actuation force. On the 10 fast fingers typing test, I scored 92 words per minute with a 2% error rate, which is on the low side of my typical 92 to 95 WPM time. The IdeaPad 100 stayed cool at most touch points. After streaming a video for 15 minutes, the touchpad and keyboard reached a reasonable 90 and 89.5 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively, which is below our 95-degree comfort threshold. However, the bottom reached a full 103.5 degrees after streaming. Performance, considering that it's powered by a low-cost, 1.33 GHz Intel Atom Z3735F CPU and 2 GB of RAM, the Lenovo IdeaPad 100s offers really solid performance that's good enough for web surfing, editing documents, viewing movies, and multitasking. When I had a dozen Chrome browser tabs open, I was able to watch a YouTube trailer of Star Wars: The Force Awakens in one window while editing a Google Doc in another, without a hint of lag. Performance was equally smooth when 100s was playing an offline clip in Windows Media Player.